Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder ground battles. To begin, you'll want to understand the fundamental vehicle types: light, medium, and heavy tanks, each with distinct roles. Next, master your basic controls for driving, aiming, and firing your main weapon. Take a moment to explore the user interface, paying close attention to the minimap for enemy locations and the damage indicator for critical hits. These initial steps are crucial for building a strong foundation in ground combat. When selecting your vehicle, consider its role. Light tanks are incredibly fast, perfect for scouting and quickly getting around enemy flanks. Medium tanks provide a versatile option, balancing good armor with solid firepower, making them suitable for many situations. For those who prefer to lead the charge, heavy tanks are your best bet. They can absorb significant damage and are ideal for pushing objectives, often requiring 2 or 3 hits to be taken down. Choose wisely based on your preferred playstyle. Effective combat in War Thunder ground battles relies on smart tactics. Always prioritize using cover, like buildings or terrain, to shield your vehicle from incoming fire. When engaging enemies, focus your shots on their known weak spots, such as the lower front plate or the commander's cupola, to maximize your damage. Remember, teamwork is vital. Communicate with your allies to coordinate pushes, defend key areas, and secure victories. A well-coordinated team can overcome even the toughest opponents. To truly master ground combat, continuous improvement is key. Dedicate time to researching new modules for your existing vehicles, enhancing their performance, and unlocking entirely new tanks. Experiment with different ammunition types. For example, armor-piercing rounds versus high-explosive shells to understand their effectiveness against various targets. Most importantly, practice regularly across diverse game modes. Each battle offers valuable lessons, helping you refine your aiming, positioning, and overall tactical awareness. Keep learning and adapting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.